In this video, the teacher helps the students to practice speaking skills. After some initial activities, including preparing suitable questions in pairs, the students conduct mock interviews in groups.
Okay, you all remember we did this chapter, The Man Who Knew Too Much? Yes. Who was the man are we referring here?
I'm Private Quelch.
Okay, and what was the name given to him by his batchmates?
Professor.
Okay, why was he called a professor?
As he knew too much.
Knew too much? Could you please elaborate that? All right.
Ma'am, because he corrected people. Ma'am, he knew very much and he corrected people, ma'am, on and on.
Now that we've had a quick recap. Now imagine yourself as journalists and you have to interview Private Quelch. You need to form the questions which you do not yourself know the answer for. So be more creative about it. Let's have some question. What all questions are you going to ask Private Quelch?
What kind of books did he read?
Okay, what? Right? Next. What else can you ask, Satyam?
And I want to ask him that, is this your humbleness or your arrogance to correct people?
Oh, that's a good question. Or arrogance. Any other question which is different from what I've already done here? Aniket?
Ma'am, I wanted to ask him that, having so much of knowledge, why did you ended up being an army?
Okay, so you think in army you don't need to be knowledgeable enough?
No, ma'am, he could do another job or else.
Okay. Now we've got these set of questions, right? So you know how to form questions. Now in pairs, you're going to write your own question as a journalist, what you're going to ask Private Quelch, how you're going to interview him. What all questions would you have in your mind when you interview him? I give you 3 minutes for that.
How was his childhood? Can we ask that question also?
How you are able to remember so much?
If you have interest in reading, then why would you join us? If you're so knowledgeable, that question is already there. Try and find something different. Discuss it amongst yourself.
Having so much of knowledge, what will you do with so much of knowledge?
This is
Right? All right, time up, everyone. I believe we've got enough questions with us now. Right. So we move down to the next step. You all are going to divide yourself into a group of 4. All right? Like you're in a pair, so you turn around and you make a group. You turn around and you make a group. Now, wait a second. Let me finish. After you make a group, what you need to do is, one of you, out of 4, one of you would become a journalist and going to ask the question from Private Quelch. And then we are going to swap the roles with the other one. And simultaneously, we all will be doing the same thing. Clear? So one would be the interviewer and the other would be interviewee. You got it? So while they're asking question and he's answering it, you both will be listening to them carefully. And then you put your questions through. Right? So turn around and make a group of 4. 2 each. Turn around.
Private Quelch, which is the most interesting book you have ever read?
The most interesting book I have ever read is basically Gulliver Travels.
Is this your humbleness or arrogance that you keep on correcting people?
It's not my humbleness, nor it's my arrogance. It's just my hobby to correct people because.
Do you like the name Professor?
Basically, no, I don't like the name Professor because I am not that stage of army.
What kind of books do you read?
I love to read English fiction.
And
I know I'm perfect.
something like general knowledge.
So that's why people don't
How
like
did you gain so much of knowledge? When you were in school, what was your dream to
By
become?
reading books and reading newspapers and all.
I loved the army men's, how they protected our country, and I was devoted towards them. So I in my childhood I had some dreams.
You do your work. Concentrate on your work. Ask questions.
I would like to ask you, who's your inspiration?
My inspiration is myself. I'm not inspired by anyone. I just want to be a different person in my life. So can you tell me about your school life?
I was very intelligent. I was the favorite of the teacher, and
I love to read books. I always score good marks in my tests and all that. So that's the main thing. Yeah.
Pair work is a useful way of involving all of your students, even the quiet ones. Keep your interventions to a minimum when your students speak so that they gain maximum practice at oral work.